Here are the top 5 ways to make money online. No experience required. You only need internet and a phone or laptop. And sit at home and make money. Easily earn from YouTube channel by just making videos and posting on your channel. First, open business account. Second, select a niche for your channel. Third, to be eligible for monetization you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours completed. Fourth, earning depends upon niche selected for the channel. 4 top earning niches for YouTube channel. Number 1 gaming, 2 beauty and health tips. Number 3 is how-to tutorials, and 4 is entertainment videos. These niches can easily make $5 to $10 per 1,000 views you get. Second is designing on Amazon merch. Design on clothes without worrying about printing, shipping, handling customer service and any additional costs. The most important thing is you should be amazing at designing. If not, then you can hire or outsource someone to design for you. Research properly about the platform well from Reddit pages such as Merch Titans, Merch by Amazon, and Amazon Merch can be great resources for learning and even creating new followers and customers for your store. Third way to earn online is through Amazon Mechanical Turk or M-Turk. You do not need experience. However, you could take projects and complete it perfectly, on time and become professional on Amazon. This can even make you get projects of higher pay. Here's a tip for M-Turk. People usually avoid work of small pay, but actually some are beneficial. It might take less time, and if you total it, it will be around $25 to $30 in just 2 to 3 hours. If you are focused, consistent, and disciplined, you could easily make between $50 and $100 a day on M-Turk. It all depends on how quickly you can complete tasks, and knowing how to get the highest paying jobs. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like Open Influence or Aspire, or by contacting the brands you want to work with and get fees from those companies, and also they offer lots of gifts and freebies. Last but not the least, make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry and being a virtual assistant. You can earn $15 to $20 per hour on Upwork and on Fiverr, but you need to know that these companies cut some percentage from your project sold. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it was informational and useful. Please like, share, and comment below if you want us to make video on any other specific topic. Also subscribe to our channel Heroic Mazi for more such content.